Can you actually make money on Pinterest in 2026? The answer is yes. But before we get into the how, I want to be clear about something. This video is not about quitting your job tomorrow or making $1,000 on your lunch break. Instead, we're covering real, scalable ways to use Pinterest to generate income in 2026. So if you're looking for a side hustle, a creative outlet that pays, or a way to build something long-term without a massive upfront investment, then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. If that sounds like your vibe, now's a great time to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this. In today's video, we're covering 5 of the most popular ways to make money on Pinterest in 2026. For each one, I'll break down the skill level, startup costs, timeline, and how Pinterest fits into the marketing strategy. And because we have full dedicated videos on a lot of these topics, I'll link everything in the description below so you can go deeper on whichever method feels right for you. All right, let's get into it. Setting expectations first. Before we get into the methods, I want to address something because I get asked this constantly. Can I do this from my home country? So whether you're in the US, Europe, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Colombia, anywhere in the world, the short answer is that most of these methods are accessible globally. However, the specific programs, payment processors, and platforms you use will vary depending on where you live. So as you go through each of these, I'd encourage you to research what's available in your country specifically, rather than assuming it works the same everywhere. The other expectation worth setting here is timeline. Some of these methods can generate income relatively quickly if you put in the work up front. Others are much slower to build and become passive once they're actively running. None of these, though, are an overnight success. Pinterest itself typically takes 6 to 12 months to build meaningful traffic, so whatever method you choose, consistency and time is what's going to make it work. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is probably the most talked about way to make money on Pinterest, and for good reason. The concept is simple. You recommend a product, share a unique tracking link, and when someone clicks and buys from your link, you earn a commission. There's no product to create, no inventory to manage, and no shipping, no customer service, nothing. Your job is simply connecting the right people with the right products. Just because it sounds easy doesn't mean it is. The affiliate marketers who see real results either have a genuine passion for their niche or a really clear strategy. And honestly, that makes all the difference. The ones who struggle are usually the ones who pick a niche purely for the commission rate without any real knowledge or interest in the products that they're recommending. So before you dive in, spend some time thinking about what you actually know, what you're curious about, and where you can show up consistently and with credibility. Once you have your affiliate links ready, here's how to start creating and scheduling pins without a website using Pin Generator's new automation feature. Since we are doing this without a website, click the button that says, I don't have a website. From there, you'll describe the kind of pins you want to create. Then you will add your outbound links. This is where your affiliate links go. So instead of linking to a website, you're going to link your pins directly to your affiliate product. Since these pins contain affiliate links, adding something like #affiliate or #ad means every pin that goes out is already going to be compliant without you having to remember to add it manually every single time. Pin Generator will email you when your content is ready, or you can wait and review it directly on the Generate page where you can tweak individual pins, swap images, adjust the text, and confirm everything before your links go live. The skill level is low and the barrier to entry is low too, sometimes 0 if you already have a Pinterest account or a website. But if you're starting from scratch, the best place to begin is finding programs that don't require a website and allow you to place links directly on Pinterest. A simple Google search will help you get started, and we've got a full series of affiliate marketing videos on our channel covering everything from getting started to Amazon Associates to doing it with and without a website. All of those videos are going to be linked in the description below. Digital products. Digital products are one of my favorite methods on this list because once you build a product, it can sell indefinitely without any additional work on your end. So we're talking things like Canva templates, ebooks, guides, presets, printables, any kind of downloadable resource that solves a specific problem for a specific person. Skill level here is going to be medium. So you need to be able to create something genuinely useful, and that's going to take a little bit of time and some tool knowledge. Canva is the most popular starting point for making digital products. For selling, platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or Shopify will give you a simple way to get started without needing a full website. However, having a website will help a lot when it comes to Pinterest marketing. So one strategy I think is really smart is using Pinterest to build your email list by offering a free digital product as a lead magnet. So someone finds your pins, clicks through to your freebie, and now you have their email. From there, you nurture that relationship and then sell to them over time. That combination of Pinterest traffic plus email marketing is genuinely powerful for digital product sellers. The startup costs are low to medium, depending on whether you invest in tools or a website. The timeline is medium, but faster than affiliate marketing once your product is built and you have traffic coming in. Print on demand. Print on demand is a great option if you want to sell physical products without holding any inventory. So here, you design the product, whether that's a t-shirt, a mug, a tote bag, a phone case, and then a third-party platform like Printify or Printful handles the printing and shipping every time someone orders, so never touch the product. Skill level is low to medium. You'll need basic skills, but tools like Canva make this accessible even for beginners. The startup costs are very low since you only pay when someone buys. And the timeline is similar to digital products because you need to do a bit of marketing in order to get traffic and traction. So I'd rank that as medium. For Pinterest marketing, this is where Pin Generator's automation flow works really well. You connect your shop and Pin Generator will pull your products and create fresh pins automatically each month so your listings are consistently getting in front of new people without you having to manually create every single pin. It's one of the best use cases for automation because if you have a lot of products, keeping up with pinning manually can take forever. But if you've got an automation tool in place, it's pretty much set it and forget it. Online shop or e-commerce. If you already have an online shop or you're thinking about starting one, whether that's Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, or another platform, Pinterest is one of the best free marketing tools available. Every product you sell is a URL that you can create pins for. And unlike Google or Etsy, where each listing gets one shot to rank, on Pinterest, you can create multiple pins for the same product and give it dozens of opportunities to get discovered. Skill level here is medium to high, depending on what you're selling and how you're sourcing your products. And the startup costs will vary widely as well. Again, your timeline's gonna depend on your niche and how competitive the market is, so it can be really easy to break in or take some time. The Pin Generator automation flow is genuinely useful here too. Like we said before, you connect your store, set up your automation, and it creates and schedules pins for your products on a rolling basis, so your shop stays active on Pinterest without requiring constant manual effort. We have a full video on using Pinterest for Etsy sellers specifically, and I'll include that link in the description below. Become a Pinterest manager or VA. This one is a little different from the others because you're not selling a product, you're selling a skill. If you've spent time learning Pinterest marketing, which you clearly have if you're watching this channel, you can actually offer Pinterest management as a service. As a Pinterest virtual assistant or VA, you might help clients with designing and scheduling pins, writing pin titles and descriptions, doing keyword research, managing automation tools, or building full content plans. You can charge per project, per month, or per pin, depending on what works best for you. Skill level here is higher since you need to actually know what you're doing before you charge someone for it, but startup costs are essentially zero, and the income timeline is faster than any other method on this list because you're trading time for money rather than waiting for passive income to build. And the more you understand tools like Pin Generator, the more efficiently you can manage client accounts, which means you can take on more clients without burning out. That's where knowing the automation flow pays off really well. All right, let's wrap it up. Those are 5 of the most realistic ways to make money on Pinterest in 2026. None of them are get rich quick, but all of them are genuinely buildable if you pick one, stay consistent, and give it time. If you want to go deeper on any of these, we have dedicated videos on affiliate marketing, Pinterest for Etsy sellers, selling products, and more. I'm going to include all of those links in the description below. And coming up, we're going to teach you how to get more clicks on your pins, how to understand your analytics, and how to automate your pin creation so you spend less time creating and more time growing. So if those videos sound like something you're interested, now's a great time to subscribe to the channel. And if this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and leave me a comment below. I'm Max. I share weekly Pinterest marketing videos to help you get your content seen without burning out. I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.